friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making salmon and foil in the air fryer. So what we need is fresh salmon fillets, seasoning, so I'll just use salt and pepper, olive oil, and lemon or lime. So first I'm going to season the salmon. So I'll sprinkle it with salt and pepper. And then I'm going to rub it with a little bit of olive oil. Now this is optional, it just makes it more juicy. If you try to omit the oil, you don't have to use it. So I'm just going to brush them with olive oil. And next I'm going to put lime slices on top. So now I'm going to put the salmon fillet on foil. And then I will close the foil over the salmon. And now let's open the air fryer basket and add salmon and foil in the air fryer basket. And put the basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 12 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. So here are the salmon foil packets, and they're totally cooked. Let me take them out and I'll open it and show you. Carefully open it. Look at that. Perfect. So the salmon inside is perfectly cooked. Looks amazing. When you're making the salmon, you can also put some vegetables on the bottom of the salmon. You can just customize it to be a more complete dinner. So let me try it. So let's try it. See, it flakes so easily and it looks so moist. It's perfectly cooked. Let's try it. It tastes delicious, so juicy. See, with the salmon and foil, it never dries up because foil keeps the juices sealed inside. And it's so easy to make in the air fryer. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other very easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!